The past few years had been tough for most of us. Many people lost their jobs when many companies started downsizing because of the recession. However, there were those who, despite unemployment, were still able to continue earning. Even more surprising is the fact that some were earning money at the comfort of their own homes. Making money from home is something that's not entirely new. However, because of technology, it has become easier for both employer and employee to work together even if both are located miles away from each other. This is why more and more companies are allowing their employees to work from home. However, you don't have to be an employee to enjoy the benefits of telecommuting. There are many other ways to earn at home, and we will explore some of them in this article. Micro jobs. One of the most popular ways to earn money at home now is through websites that offer micro jobs. The jobs offered in these websites can be done in as little as 10 minutes, and once you finish, your work will be checked and you will get paid. In most cases, workers can simply apply for the job by bidding, and if chosen, the worker is usually given a deadline to finish the job, and once submitted, the worker gets compensated either through their respective banks or a money transfer service. Technical work-at-home jobs. All work-at-home jobs require both an internet connection and a computer, so you need to have at least basic working knowledge in technology. This alone can already help you earn money. Knowing the basics of social media and a little bit of marketing skills can get you a job as a promoter. Also, if you have advanced skills in computers, you can also work as a website developer or a technical support representative. These jobs don't really require an office, so skills in these areas can get you a work-at-home job. Creative work-at-home jobs. If you are not exactly a technical person, a little knowledge in computers and a lot of creativity can also get you a work-at-home job. There are many writing jobs out there that are being outsourced, so if you are capable of writing great quality articles, you can definitely find work that you can do at home. Also, graphic artists are in demand now in the work-at-home industry, and if you have the skills and reliable equipment, you can also consider becoming one. The minimum requirement of work-at-home jobs is a fast internet connection and a computer. Even if you're not technical or creative, there will surely be something for you out there. The work-at-home industry is booming, and sooner or later, there will be a job for everyone. As a date, there are already plenty of ways to earn money at home, and by honing your skills and marketing yourself properly, you should be able to find work that you can do at the comfort of your own home. If you want to learn more about making money from home, click the link in the description.